Hello, family and team, and welcome to number2.com. That's what you're going to set up right now. So your Chromebook should be open. If you don't have your Chromebook for some reason, then you'll have to borrow a Chromebook from somebody else once they complete these steps. But I expect every single student in this classroom today to be set up on number2.com. And I will know if you've done that because you will set me up as your coach, I believe they call it. So I'll be able to tell if you've done this or not and any work that you've done on it. So you're going to go to number2.com. Mine's already in there because I've been typing it in. But it's the word number and then the numeral 2.com. Once there, this is what you need to do. All right. You'll notice they have test prep for a lot of different things. We are not in a state where the SAT is used widely, so we're not going to do the SAT prep. The GRE is a test for graduate students, and you're not there yet. Not yet. So we're going to do ACT prep, but don't click over there. You're going to go right over here. New users enroll now. Yeah, baby, that's what we want to do. Again, we are going to choose ACT. So click on that bad boy, and then just fill in your information. So I'm going to be signing up with my personal email address here because my coach address is david.stewart. So you're going to put in your school email address. I know some of you guys have not been using your school email addresses because maybe you're getting a lot of emails from colleges from the beginning of the year. Can I get an amen on that? An amen? Amen in the house? All right, nice. Here's the thing. If you're getting emails that are frustrating you or overflowing your inbox, it's just a life skill that you need to have of not just now ignoring your whole email, but going into those emails, scrolling down to the bottom of those, and picking unsubscribe. All right, you might want to unsubscribe yourself from some of those colleges that may help you to be a little more sane. So, if you need to do that, do that. But the reason I say that is I don't want you to just ignore your school email. That's not a good life strategy. That's what we call a life failure. Test date. You guys can put on your test date. It's going to be March 3rd-ish. And your test date will be 2 years from now, so 2016. Then your coach's email address, this is critical. It's david.stewart, S-T-U-A-R-T. If you misspell my name, you will not only get a 0 for setting yourself up, you'll also be a horrible human because I have been your teacher for a long time at this point. So david.stewart@csredhawks.org. david.stewart@csredhawks.org. And your instructor can pause if he needs to help you get set up there. Let's see here. I gotta scroll down to here. So now we're gonna go to our next page. Now that you've got me in as your coach, that's the only way you're gonna get credit for setting up here. This is the easiest grade you'll have all year. I always tell them to save my password just because it's easier and I'm the only one who mostly uses a computer. So, yeah, you do want to put these things in here, guys. You're a 9th grader. I'm going to set this up as a 9th grader. Birthday, it's just, I don't know why it wants to know that, but probably just so that it can stalk you, come to your house and look in your window and stuff. So I'd put the birthday in there. I wouldn't put the telephone number. You don't need it. This stuff, why not? And then your interests, these could be like, which fields you're interested in studying someday. So I'm interested in studying education, anthropology. Yeah, things fall apart. And landscape architecture, actually. That stuff doesn't really matter. Okay, and then they're going to ask you, when do you want to get emailed? When do you want to get emailed kind of reminders? What they do is they'll give you some sample questions. They'll give you progress reports. I'll tell you vocabulary words. So you decide, okay? If you want to receive one email a week to remind you to get on this, then do one email a week. I wouldn't do 0, guys. Here's the thing. I'm setting this up for you so that you can be successful. Yeah, it's going to email me and give me an update on your progress, but really, this is for you guys. So, because your ACT score and your readiness for college is that affects your life. So that's why I'm taking the time today to let you set this up so you can get prepped. All right, so I'm just going to prep email. I'm going to do mine on Fridays. Why not? Request email on these days and start. All right, now what you must do today is go to Vocab Builder. That's what we're going to focus on with number2.com. You'll see there are other sections, and those are all cool and great. I encourage you, if you're really thinking about ACT score, to dive into those. But Vocab Builder is what you must do today. So basically, just jump right into it. Show me some new words. It's going to ask you questions. What is the meaning of writ? You're just going to guess. So let's say that I'm just going to guess A. It's a false show or sham. All right, I got it wrong. The cool thing is it will tell me what is a false show, a sham. It's a feint. So I can keep going through here, and I keep trying. And then, oh, yeah, maybe it's the one, that which is written. So then it'll tell you that you're right once you get it, and it'll give you that definition. Read through this stuff, guys, so that your brain can acquire new vocab knowledge. Okay, I want you to do this for at least 10 words. When you do at least 10 words, you can exit the drill. Yes, I want to exit drill. All right, and then you are good to go. I'll get an email at the end of today letting me know how you've done, and everyone who I see has done 10 words and is signed up will receive full credit for this assignment. All right, so now you're going to have a few minutes to do this. This is not time to jump onto code.org. It's not time to do anything else on the computer besides build your vocabulary knowledge. I'm going to ask the instructor to go ahead and just set a timer on his phone or watch or the clock for 15 minutes so that you can do as much of this as possible. 15 minutos, guys. I want you to dominate here, and it might be hard at first, but just get after it. All right, push. All right.